And a big shout out to all my new subscribers, and there's been quite a few. I'm so excited. A few more and I'll be up to 6,000 subscribers, so thank you, each and every one of you. I know it's been a hot minute since I've been here. Yeah, we've had an awfully lot going on around here. Those of you that know I had cataract surgery, well, no, I had to be one of the 15% that has an issue with it. Apparently, I got swelling behind my retina in both eyes. Doctor said it's from the surgery. The surgery went well, but it is a side effect that some people get. So I'm on different drops, and I see the doctor on the 1st, so hopefully things will be improving. My daughter went through a very serious surgery. She's about 5 weeks out of it now. The doctor said it would be about a 2-month recovery, but she had a little bit of a setback, so it's going to take longer. So she's pretty down and she's still in pain, so keep those prayers coming for her. And then it was my grandson, my oldest grandson Jake's birthday on St. Patrick's Day. So the Diva's had a lot going on around here, but I'm back. We're gonna make this keto, low carb, delicious, creamy, easy to make taco soup, so stay tuned. But last week, I made myself a keto-friendly, low-carb taco soup. Oh, there goes my clock. And that taco soup was delicious. So easy to make. It was only like 5 ingredients if you don't count, what you want to sprinkle on the top. So I thought I would make that for you today. It makes a great lunch, dinner, makes enough for several people. And if it's just you alone, freeze it or keep it in the refrigerator. It's nice and creamy, spicy, but not too spicy. I mean, I really loved it. So I hope you're all ready for Easter. I don't know if anybody's doing anything special this year. We still have the pandemic going on. Oh, I can't stand it. But anyway, I think now we're going to get started. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, go down below, hit the red subscribe and the little bell next to it. When you hit that little bell, it should say all. And then you won't miss any of the new videos I have coming up. And I love comments, I love thumbs up, and YouTube loves them too. And that's how I can keep my channel going, and YouTube promotes it. So anyway, enough blah, 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 Diva. You know I like to talk. So what do you say we get started with this recipe? I'm going to insert photos. You're going to need chicken broth, and I use, I use collagen chicken broth. You're going to need Rotel, that's diced tomatoes with green chilies, and I have the mild one. You'll need 2 cans of that. You're going to need, let me grab it, some taco seasoning. You're going to need 2 blocks of cream cheese, full fat cream cheese. And let me see what else. Most importantly, you're going to need 2 rolls of Jimmy Dean sausage. And I'll put a picture in so you know what I mean. So anyway, I'm going to head over to the stove now because I want to brown my sausage in a big pot, and then I'll show you what we do after the sausage is brown. So don't go away. Okay, I'm over at the stove now, and you're going to use a large pot. And I have my 2 pounds of Jimmy Dean's ground sausage browning in the pot. If you can see my little meat, I call it my meat smasher. Let me hold it up. Looks like this. I purchased it off Amazon. You just do this with it. I'm working solo today. And it is fantastic if you want to chop up quickly any, say, ground beef or meatloaf, or if you're making tacos or anything like that. I love it, and I know it's very popular. In fact, I remember showing this once, and my friend Mary from Glitzy Fritzy's channel bought one, and she said she loves it too. I'll put the link down below if anybody's interested. It's starting to brown, and oh, my dog Brownie can smell this. She's prancing around the kitchen. I think she's gained the, what do they call it? The Corona 15 or something? Took her to the vet a couple of weeks ago, and he said, she's gained weight. She's got to go on a diet. Probably like all of us, right? Hear that sizzling? Okay, as you can see, my sausage is all browned. So now I'm going to add to the pot the rest of my ingredients. Alright, my meat is all brown. So the first thing I'm going to add to the meat is my 2 cans of Rotel. So let me get those in there. And this is the Rotel that I'm adding. Let me swing over here and get my other can so I can put that in. Wow, it's hard to do this with one hand. Alright, I got both of those cans in there. Now I'm going to pour in my chicken broth. Now this recipe calls for 4 cups, which is actually one of those boxes of the College Inn. However, I like it a little soupier, so I'm putting 6 cups in. If you like, you can even put 8 cups in, sorry. Brownie probably sees a little ant walking by. But anyway, I did put in 6 cups of the College Inn chicken broth. Now I'm going to add to that my 2 blocks of cream cheese. That's 2, 8-ounce blocks of cream cheese. And last but not least, I'm going to add to that, well, 4 tablespoons of my taco seasoning, or actually, you can really just throw the whole bag in. And I'm going to mix this all together. I'm going to let it simmer and heat till everything is melted. We got to get the cream cheese melted, which will make it nice and creamy. It's probably going to take about a half hour. And once this is done, we'll do a taste testing, and I'll show you how you can serve it, so don't go away. Okay, everybody, the soup is all done. I let it simmer for probably about a half hour, and the cream cheese melted. It's very creamy, and you can serve this different ways. I like to put a little sour cream on top, which I just did. You can sprinkle a little cheese. I sprinkle just a tiny bit of this Mexican shredded cheese on there. Or if you're not on keto and you're not eating low fat, you can take some tortilla chips and crush them and sprinkle them on. It's really good that way. So I'm going to take a little taste of this now, let you know what I think. Whoa, it's really good. A little spicier than the last time I made it, because the last time I think I counted out like 4 tablespoons of taco seasoning. This time I dumped the envelope in, but it's not too spicy. It's delicious. It has these little pieces of the tomato in it from the Rotel. The cream cheese, oh, I wish you could see this. I'll put a still in. Makes it so creamy. It's really good. I will have enough of this in the refrigerator to last me for a few days. I'm going to see if the cameraman wants any, or maybe my son. But just look at this. This is delicious. 2 thumbs up. You could probably make this with ground beef, but I'll tell you that Jimmy Dean sausage that's all crumbled up and browned in there really gives it that little oomph, that extra flavor. So if you like this video, please make this taco soup. It's so easy. I mean, other than browning your sausage, you're just dumping all the rest of the ingredients in there, stirring them, letting it simmer till it's all done. And if you haven't already subscribed, don't forget, go down and hit the subscribe and the little bell next to it. It's free, and you won't miss some of the Easter videos I have coming up soon. So I want to thank everybody for taking time out of their busy day to watch this. Right now, I am going to say toodles because I'm going to eat my soup. Look at that. So good.